unicorn, pink, cat, jellyfish, pedal, penguin.
இது என்ன? Lock.
Yakka.
இது சொல்லு.
Kula. Porcupine.
இது?
Llama.
இது?
Pig. Yak. Daughter.
Color hen is called?
Yellow cat.
Very good. இது?
Papa pig. Anchor.
Hi, this is our daughter Jashvitha. She is 2 years old. She has got this award for correctly naming 100 animals. So today is a very special day for us as a parent to be honored like this. Thank you Kalam's world record. She is a kind of animal lover. Once we took her to the zoo and we told her the names of animals that she saw. So even after a month she was able to remember those animals' names. She kept telling us, Amma, I saw porcupine, Amma, I saw python, and that's how she learnt. We also got her some flashcards like animals, fruits, vegetables, and various topics. So whenever I asked to select a topic, she would always pick the pack that had animals, and she kept asking us, what animal is this? What will this animal do? And that's how she learnt. We are so happy that she got selected for Kalam's world record. Thank you.